So I hope that you get peace too. Hi, if you clicked on this video, it's probably because you have spam callers, you have solicitors, but if you're 50 and over or 60 and over, many of you have this same problem. You just get sick of your phone ringing and ringing and ringing, and it's never anybody you want to talk to. So stay tuned if you want me to show you how to remedy that situation if you have an iPhone. Okay, I want to show you in real time how to stop these calls from coming in. If you are on your iPad or some kind of tablet and you want to get your phone, this is the perfect time to do it. All right, you back? Great. So take a look at your phone and you're going to go to the settings button. You should see your name, Wi-Fi, and airplane mode at the top. You're going to scroll all the way down. See where it says personal hotspot, notifications, it says general. You're going to scroll all the way down where it says phone. You're going to see the green phone icon right here. See that? Right there. You're going to click on phone. All right, you just clicked on phone and you see the Siri and search, notifications, incoming calls, announce calls, and my number. And you're going to scroll all the way down. Yeah, move your thumb up. Move your thumb up until you see. Click on it where you see silence unknown callers. So it says silence unknown callers. You can see that the button is gray and not green. What you're going to do is you're going to click here, and now it's green. And now you've silenced unknown callers. So people who are not on your contact list, you will not get a ring, ring, ring from them. So let me read underneath. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. So if they're not in your contacts, guess what? You will see that there was a call from, 572-634-5598. And you'll see that they called you, and if they left a message, it'll be in your voicemail, and of course it will be in your recents list, but your phone will not ring, and that's what we're going for, people. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. So if you've made recent calls, maybe you're trying to find a plumber or something, and you've made recent calls and that person calls you back, then that will ring your phone because you have called them. Now, there are some caveats to everything. Now, let's say you called somebody and, like we say, a doctor's office or something. You called somebody and they said, okay, well, we're going to call you back. Or you called AT&T and they're going to call you back, and they're going to call you back from a different phone number. Well, guess what? If they're not in your contacts list, you won't hear the call. So it's very, very, very important for you to keep up with turning on and off that particular switch. It's not the most convenient thing, but what I like to do, if I speak with somebody and I know I want them to call me, then I ask them for their phone number and I place it in my contacts. So that way my phone will ring when they call. Or I will make myself a note and I will turn off my silence unknown callers. So that's the thing with it, but it is so worth it. I'm so glad that these people no longer ring my phone. It was a headache and I now have peace. So I hope that you get peace too. If this video helped you, please drop a comment below and let me know. If you would like to subscribe for more 50+ content, then subscribe and click the ringing notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload new content. I appreciate you watching today. Thank you so much. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.